Another Leetcode problem. This is a variation of the valid palindrome. It's the version 2. So the requirement is it a valid palindrome, and if it is not palindrome, are we able to make it palindrome by removing a character? So let's start going. This is also being asked with the multiple companies, and let's get going. Okay, so I'll be creating a helper function. So let's say post is palindrome, and this will be taking the I and J, and then inside here, so what I'll be doing is doing a while loop while I is smaller than J, and then if si not equal sj, return false, and then increment I, decrement j. As we do on these programs, I'll be doing the while loop for the checking the other stuff. So when we do the while loop, I'll be taking the initial one 0 and then last one. So let I equals 0, let j equals s dot length minus 1. Okay, let's do the while I smaller than j. Actually, let's do I is fine. Okay, so we'll do basically the same thing, but different way. So if si is not equal sj, here is the main manipulation, return. So I have here is palindrome. Okay, so I'll be checking is palindrome. So if I incremental I plus 1 and j is going to return, or if I increment the j, I stays same and plus 1. So that way I will be checking actually minus, so it's going to backward. And then I plus plus j minus minus, and if all is true, so we will be returning true. So let's check the OR logic. So this is the helper function. We have the I and j. It's checking the incremental. If it's not equal, returning false. If it is equal, return true. So I need to check here. True. Okay, I is length minus 1. So let's see if it's going to pass it. Yes, it's able to pass our test cases. Let's submit to see other test cases are passing. Yes, 59, not bad. Still passing 50%. It's acceptable. Thank you.